What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and if you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to do so down below to stay up to date on all these random tech videos I do here. So today we're going to be checking out this VicSeed wireless car charger mount right here, and it's $43 on Amazon. It has 3-in-1 wireless charging mount. It can do 10 watts, 7.5 watts it says, and it can has a bunch of other features, 50% faster than the standard. You can see a quick release button, picks up your phone, and quick charge are all features of this. So here it is right here. As you can see, you have the actual wireless charger right here. As you guys can see, looks very good. Rubberized back right there, rubberized sides and bottoms to protect your phone. Or you just press this button right here. You don't do what I just did. So to open and close it, press the button on the side, ding, 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 and she widens open and you fit it to your phone size. Very easy. There's the actual power, and it appears to be USB-C, so very new technology. I like that. That was unexpected. A USB-C cable right here, very nice. This looks to be the actual arm right here, as you can see, with a suction cup, so you can mount it however you like on your dash. Just put it on just like so, and then you're going to shove it in there, and then you'll lock it back in place just like so. Here's we have a extra ball mount, or this is a ball mount, but a different kind of mount if you don't want to use a suction cup. And here it is right here. So as you guys can see, it has the suction cup here. You just remove this when you're ready, and this is to put it on like this, and then you lock it in place just like so, or just like so, unlocked, locked, and it'll suction to it. You have a few different adjustments here depending on how you want to mount it. You have endless options like this, just whatever works best for your vehicle. Not like that, like this, because that way it would be backwards. You know, you can do something like this, or actually on the glass like this, you know, depending on how you need it. So we're going to head over to the car now, and we're going to actually plug this in and see if it works. So with this clip it came with right here, you just turn this knob and it slowly tightens. So we'll just set it right here, as you can see, and I'll turn this knob right here and it tightens it securely onto it just like so. That's just, it's not going to go anywhere like that. It's on there. The only thing I don't like about these is it gets your phone very cold because it's right in front of the vent right there. So I prefer this one that it came with right here, or this mount right here. This would just attach to that very easily. I can actually show you guys. And then as you guys can see, I'm not going to put on the cap, but I'll show you right here how it works. Just like so. And you'd have your little securing ring that I decided not to put on right here. That would go on there too. But as you guys can see, this is a very good way to do it as well. It's very secure. You have your button there, and it's not going to come off or anything, as you guys can see. And then you have your USB-C port right here. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to hook it up down here so that you guys can see if it works on my iPhone XS. Alright guys, so this is the last part of the video here, and we're just going to put the phone in it to make sure it works. So I have it all the way extended. I'm going to set my phone in it right here. And as you guys can see, it did the ding sound and it turned on as per the, let's get a focus, as per the charging indicator right there. Sorry about that. So there you go guys. As you guys can see, this is a very cool little device. I'm going to go ahead and secure it a bit better. Sorry for the dirty screen. Just like so. And you know, it's very secure in where it's at. We'll see how long it can stay there on that surface that I chose, but I'm hoping it'll work pretty good. But you know, it's a good location, and I like that these things are coming about now, these wireless chargers for the cars. So if you guys want to pick this up, this is the VicSeed version right here, and it is about $43 on Amazon, a very good price I think for what you get. If you do want to purchase it, there will be a link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. If you got any questions, I'll answer you down below. Hope you guys have a good one.